Okay, so I'm gonna make a test for my RX 7600 AMD video card. As you can see, it's everything on default. It's how it's supposed to be from the factory. This is my video card right here, and I'm gonna test it in Cinebench 2024. We have here the GPU benchmark, and let's see how it is. I already make one, and it scores like 4764. Let's see how well it's gonna do on default setting and with nothing else. Well, I can see from this one, it's let's make from the, I don't want to make it 10 minutes test. I want to make the just one. Okay, let's try again. It feels like kind of slow, in my opinion, this new Cinebench, especially when it's well different than the other version. On the CPU, it's very slow. Obviously, I don't have a faster CPU, but on the older version, it feels like it happens a lot more for the time. We have some list here. I don't know how accurate is it, or if it's gonna be updated with time. I never understand one of those. Look at how low it can start, and everything feels like kind of slow. Every time I make a test in this Cinebench right now, it feels like we have vastly huge different results. And look at this, we just started, and look at this one. I have nothing pretty much started or open it, and you barely score some points here. Probably it's gonna rise with time, but look at this. I like the idea of testing the GPU. Now it rises in one program with the CPU. From what I know, you cannot test both at the same time, but we have a program that can test them separately, so it's still it's better than nothing. Let's check some metrics data. See here, look at this one. It's not exactly 100% low. I don't know why. We have a pretty much around 100 watts power draw, and the temperature is pretty reasonable with the RPM fan in mid position, let's say. But again, it doesn't score that much. Look at this, the last time and this time there is a difference, and I didn't do anything different, and it's almost done. Maybe they can catch up at the last few tails, but who knows. Look at this. It's kind of weird why we have such a difference between those tests, because it is quite a lot. Look at this, it doesn't do anything, and it's almost done. Let's see the final finish. Look at this one, a very bad result. Let's try again, maybe we can have some different points. Let's give a start. Let's see it. So you see already the similar result that I made it a few minutes ago, and now with a new one, and it's just started. Come on, do something. Now it started. Look at this. Again, a very slow process. And let's check the metrics. So yeah, everything is on default setting. Nothing weird or sketches going on. It's never 100%. That's another thing I cannot understand exactly. But still, look at this. And go back to the test. It's not exactly very accurate. I don't know why I have such a mass difference between runs. Listen to the GPU. It's not loud or anything, but still the points that it scored very low. And it's pretty much half done. I don't know why it's such a mass difference. It's insane. So the same settings last time, a few times ago. 4,764, and now it's stuck at 2,000 something. Now my monitor shuts off. Very slow this time, I don't know. It doesn't make it very reliable. Just what's the point? Let's see how it finishes. Again, method of measurement, temperature, one tail, and it's done. Look at this score. 2,541. Almost half of the results. It's not very accurate, so yeah, that was the video for today. If you like it, check the other one, and see you next time.